Now Jaifa and Arjun are going to play a game. Jaifa একটা ওয়ার্ড বলবে, লাস্ট লেটারটা দিয়ে অর্জুনকে আরেকটা নতুন ওয়ার্ড বলতে হবে। অর্জুন যে ওয়ার্ডটা বলবে সেটার লাস্ট লেটার নিয়ে জাইফা আরেকটা ওয়ার্ড বলবে। লেটস প্লে।
Guava. Ant. Teacher.
Loudly, you must
Teacher.
speak loudly. Teacher.
Rain.
Rain. Last letter is N. R-A-I-N. So make a word with letter N.
Number. Ring.
Ring. R-I-N-G, right? So G is the last letter.
Ghost.
Ghost.
Ghost. Train. Train.
Train.
Whose last letter is
N. Right.
New.
New. Very good. Well done.
What?
Watch.
H.
Yes, Arjun said
Whose
watch.
last letter is H? Yes.
Of course, H is the last letter. W. W-A-T-C-H.
Hanger. What? Hanger. Hanger. Rainy. It's rainy. The last word is Y.
She said hanger. R is the last letter.
Yeah, I said rainy. The first letter of the last letter is R. Rainy.
Rainy.
Yuck.
So G is the
Yuck.
last letter.
Yuck.
Rainy. Y. Yuck.
Kite. Kite. It's an easy one. Tool. What? Tool.
No.
The-
Kite. K-I-T-E. Right? Kite. E is the last letter. So done. Game is over. Because you could not find out the word.
But I understand, but I have not understand it because he said kite, and I think this is a T.
Kite. K-I-T-E.
T-E.
Okay, thank you so much for playing with us. Have you enjoyed the game?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you.